Wait, we're gonna have a fucking night of this one. Nobody's psyched. Hey, ancient. Hurdy leg. Hurdy leg. That's it. Okay, that was way louder than I anticipated. There we go. Last day. Koh Samui. Last day for Elliot, I mean. Not my last day. Meet back up with Ellie tonight. A couple hours. So we're just, me and Elliot have decided to go for a bit of a bike ride. So that's what we're going to do today. Take you guys along with us. And so I've just woken up and I've kind of started to lose my voice a little bit. But yeah, so hopefully you can have a good day. Ride around the Mai, Chawang, go over to Natong, right up to Bo Put, and check out Manam and all the places around the island. Yeah, we're on for a good day today. A little bit sad that he's leaving. A little bit sad that Elliot's leaving, but it is what it is. It's been a great time with our Scoopy. We're going to have a good day today though. We're going to have a good day. And we're going to film a lot of stuff, so... There he is, speaking of the devil. Speaking of the devil. Should we hit it? Alright. So I just thought I might take a ride around the island. First port of destination, we're stopping off at what I believe is... I don't know the name. Very beautiful though. Very ancient. Very ancient. Come see the... It's so cheap to stay on this part of the island, I can tell you that for sure. Some nice resorts. Some nice resorts on the water. But they're not too bad, those resorts. A million miles away from anything, but yeah, not too bad. Not too bad, if you ask me. Too bad it's just an overcasted day, but anyways, can't complain. Another day in paradise is a better day not in paradise. $25.66.
Or close to, because that's not a grave.
Oh, that's a baby, bro.
Yeah.
How sad. That just rocked me. Nice place to get buried by the ocean. Yeah, they just stopped off at Nathong. There's a high tide at the moment. Good place to watch the sunset. I think we'll come back here later with Ellie and do some more vlogs. What do you reckon, Elliot?
It's the goddess of vacuum cleaning.
What?
It's the goddess of vacuum cleaning.
Goddess of vacuum cleaner. This place sunset is a fucking killer place to have some food, watch the sunset. Done. Shit. Oh, you pull out. Okay, let's get going. What do you think?
Блядь, дебил!
Oh, you forgot to turn your motorbike off.
I don't have anything in my bike for you. There's nothing of yours in here, is there?
No, I don't think so. Check.
Because I had my helmet in there.
Oh, he's officially a member of the motorbike crashing club. Motorbike crashing club.
Rain fatality.
Fell for rain fatality. Oh well. This is our walk. This is our walk back to the apartment. Sorry, back to the beach bungalow. Every day. Be thoroughly enjoying it. I love this place. I love this place so much. I asked the front desk if I could buy a bungalow, one of these ones. They didn't answer me. I don't think they would sell them. How can you beat that, eh? How can you beat that? Crazy, crazy good. Crazy good. Anyways. Sweet. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. Alright. Catch in a bit.
Or even go pick her up and I could be already out there.
So I'm walking with Ellie here. Like I'm just going, you know what? One last night at the bungalow, like Elliott's not feeling so well, but let's just make
You could even play up my leg more and say he's in bed, his leg is really sore, so she doesn't think I'm out here.
come up here. I'll say, you know what, Ellie, don't worry about it. We've had a good time. Showing Elliot the island.
This would be a good place.
He's loved it.
Yeah.
I'll be like, no, you gotta come up here.
Whoa, dude, there are tons of hands right there.
It's alright, I didn't get hit.
Okay.
And so we'll be here. And don't forget, like when here at night time, you can't see that well down there.
I know, but I think I still need to be over that.
Yeah, Graveyard Rock. Graveyard Rock. We'll go do a recce right now. Oh! Alright, so I'll take Ellie up there, set up my GoPro, be like, oh yeah, I can take a nice time lapse here. Let me just quickly take the time lapse B. She'll be like, oh, fuck, whatever. Alright guys, one of our last nights here at First Bungalow Beach Resort, so thought I might make another video. We're gonna set up some fireworks on the rock over there later tonight. The last check-in of our holiday as well, being at the First Bungalow Beach Resort. I'm just gonna talk quietly. Some people getting massages. So yeah, thank you, Elliot. You are one of my best homies for life. Got your back. It's not a very sanitary river right now, but as we walk through and that river stinks. Anyways, thanks for the greatest Thailand trip to date. Is he coming? What's he doing? Let me go grab him. Hold on. Is anybody home? Oh, you're there? Oh, shit. He's already at the motorbikes. Clip. Clip. Ah! Ah! I'm the one who's screwing up. Yes, we can go the short way. Man, I really let myself go in Thailand. I haven't been working out anywhere near as much as I want to be. But anyways, here we go. The man of the hour. Man of the hour. Let's go. Let's go to Ark Bar. Ark Bar. So Elliot's last night in Koh Samui. We're gonna have one last drink before he goes tomorrow morning, and we're gonna go pick up Ellie from the cinema soon, and
Operation Hurdy Leg.
and we're gonna surprise her. So
Hurdy Leg.
That's it. Elliot, what do you think of the trip?
Well, I've told you like so many times, bro, this trip fucking sucks.
No one come to Thailand. Welcome to Koh Samui. Not feeling too well, but that's alright. It's got Bali belly. That's the standard part of a Thailand trip. Like in the next 15 minutes, and then we get back, I'll message you like behind her back and say we're walking in, so then you get an idea of the queue.
Yeah, and I'll also message you when I'm out of the rock.
Yes, do that.
Yeah. Best of luck, brother.
I'm gonna show you guys the Ark Bar, right? Some mad VIP section up there. We're leaving the Ark Bar now. Alright guys, that's the Ark Bar. Done and dusted. I'll take you guys on a journey right now. We get out of the Ark Bar and go meet up with Ellie, pick her up. I've got fireworks lined up. To be honest, I have no idea where I parked my motorbike. I'm completely forgotten. But once we're back, I'll see you guys soon. Alright? That's from myself to you from the Ark Bar. Out.
Sawadee krap.
Sawadee krap.
Lovely, not mighty.
Yeah. Sawadee krap. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what Chewing nightlife's really like, alright? Fresh foods.
Hi.
Hey. Hello. You got your people having dinner. You got your motor taxi guys, little monkeys. Everything's out, you know? Like, but anyways, we're gonna go meet Ellie. I have no idea where I parked my motorbike, completely forgotten. But she's meeting us down at Sizzler. I'm gonna message her right now. I'm gonna get back to you guys. But we're now walking towards the Green Mango. Jimmy Woos! Yeah, Jimmy Woos goes off. Green Mango up there. And if you go down there, great place to go partying, alright? Great place to go partying. You guys want welcome to Koh Samui! Welcome to Koh Samui! Yes. Hey mate, alright, it's all popping off. Everybody wants to be in the video. I'm gonna step on this side of the road. Thank you, Elliot, for being one of my best homies and helping me organize this. I truly love you. So I can't thank you enough. Oh my God, I've just remembered that I've walked way too far. Hold on. All right. taking lots of GoPro videos. How was your movie, my love? How was your movie?
It was good, but I'm tired.
I love you, just like I love Samui. I set up like this. I'll show you. It's gonna look so amazing. Wait, I'll get like a good. There we go. There we go. Now you have to come here while we do some dance. Hello, welcome. Thank you, my G.
Elliot, how did you get down there?
Wait down there.
You executed that perfectly, bro.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Elliot.
We stumped her. We stumped her good. We stumped her good.
Lighting at first.
Hold on.
Freaking out.
Yeah, push against me. It's alright, it's alright. You good, you good. Ugh. Alright guys, it's the last time I'm gonna be in this room. Finally checking out. And yeah. I'll move on to the solo. Oh, just found something I've forgotten. Alright guys, signing out. First bungalow. Thank you. We can't get that way. Yep. Want to do one more last recording before. Honestly, it's bad. One last hurrah in the first bungalow beach resort.
Elliot's broke.
Ellie's broke. It's officially a part of the motorbike crashing club.
Bell for rangs for life.
It's so funny because like
Oh, yeah, sorry.
All good. Everything okay?
All good? Yeah. Thank you. Come.
Elliot flies out today. A couple hours. This is our last little
Hurrah.
hurrah in the first
Sorry,
bungalows.
this has been annoying me the whole time.
Gonna do some last minute waiting.
I need to get this out.
It's been a good trip. Sad to be moving accommodations again. This is the fourth
Somewhere really nice.
fourth accommodation. Third accommodation technically, because I didn't stay with Elliot the third one. But yeah, no complaints. Beautiful as always. Fishermen going out. River looking disgusting as fuck. But who needs the nice looking creek when you got stuff like this?
I was hoping you'd say my room was all good. Other than like cleaning the floor, I did everything. Made it
Oh,
all
you
look
expecting
nice.
him to be like,
No.
5,000 baht.
No.
You damaged the window.
No, I took care of the room. I didn't crash the room.
No hookers were thrown out the window.
No. Yeah, I got to get to the airport by like 11:55, so I've got Oh fuck! I've only got less than.
I'll just take my bags from here and then we'll go to the front. And I'll get Ellie to call us right away. It'll be like
checked in, I think, and it's a smaller airport. I don't think it'll take too long, I guess, but still, I need to be there an hour before, I think.
100%. This lychee drink's amazing.
Is it coconut water?
Yeah. Is it coconut water?
I think it's with lychee.
Oh, that was just lychee juice.
Oh, maybe it is.
Fuck, it's really good.
I saw all of those. They were coconut.
Anyways, last time we're gonna say this. Goodbye, bon voyage, adios, arrivederci. Thank you and goodbye. Bag pack there.
You got your carbonara noodles?
Oh,
You had those before? Those
I can't.
really spicy.
Can't because these I haven't had this before ever.
Yeah.
Tteokbokki.
I guess you can leave it in the cleaners, mate.
Yeah, I left a whole bunch of shit full over there. They've got some noodles, they got a lime, they got some avocados, they got some milk. They got it all. Got everything in here.
Yeah, I always like to share.
Oh, should I take a first bungalow beach resort umbrella?
There's 2 in every room. They'll charge you for it. What's under the fridge?
It's under the hood. Nothing.
For your groceries, maybe.
It's like a whole bag of weed. It's like a fucking whole kilogram. Oh. Yeah, so... See ya. See your ass there. Cool down some more if you need to. Cool down. Yeah, no, I haven't checked behind there at all.
For a second, I was like, wait, I don't have one.
Yeah. It's like wearing nothing at all.
Nothing at all. Stupid sexy Flanders.
That's when I go back from my trip to Cambodia. This place dearly.
You don't leave that.
Yeah, that's very big. No.
How do you do?
Oh man. Camila. Come on, lady, sit down. Almost sip. Take almost sip. I don't ever wanted. Alright, I don't think I left anything in there. Let's take one last cruise through the beach. Wait, phone, wallet, motorbike key, sweet.
I'm stealing your bags.
This is our last time on this beach, Elliot.
Oh, goodbye, beach.
Goodbye, beach. Keep this the secret. No one come here. It's a bad place. It's a horrible place. Don't come here. Anyways, first bungalow. Highest recommendation on all of the list. If you're wanting to come to Koh Samui and not spend a lot of money on accommodation, this is the place. Look how beautiful it is. 10 out of 10. 5 star. 5 star. 5 star. You can even get massages and stuff like that. It's great. It's great.
Yeah, we should have gone up to that.
That's alright. That's alright. Next time. Plenty of time.
Bigger and better.
Bigger and better. Next time. I smell a boys trip going to Thailand for 2 months coming up. Yeah.
Oh, that's easier.
Yeah, that's this year. That means in a couple months. Nah, I'm just joking. Well, we'll be back sooner than later. We'll be back. Say goodbye to the... Oh, look at those little fucking, like, pipe fish or whatever they are.
Yeah, cool.
Fuck, imagine if I dropped my GoPro in there right now. I'd be fucked. I would be fucked.
You know it's fine, but
Yeah.
you just have to go get it.
So, yep. Last little walk through the bungalows. First bungalow beach resort. That was Elliot's place up there. Sorely gonna be missed. Gonna be missed. Gonna miss the kiddies.
Play equipment we never use.
Yeah, the play equipment. shower that we used.
I don't think anyone used that place.
You know, they did some Navy SEALs training in the pool, so it was good. It was good all around. No complaints. Five out of 5. All right, before they think I'm too weird and I'm vlogging everyone and recording their privacy.
Your GoPro?
Oh yeah, thank you.
Should I turn it off? Press stop.
Yeah, you trust.
No, give one. Yes! Right, we're ready. We're fucking ready. Wait, we're gonna have a fucking night of this one.
Not even looking at it.
Babe, what do you think of my firework find?
It'll be the last time I see.
Nobody's psyched. Hey, hold up. Wait, where the fuck is he? Where the Elliot, where are you? Oh, there. Wait. Before you do it, wait, I need the lighter and shit. I want to light my scene. We both got a light of scene. Wait. Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. From myself to you from Thailand. Happy New Year. Okay, that was way louder than I anticipated. That was way louder. That was way louder. A little bit too loud. A little bit too loud. Jasper and Elliot signing out.
Signing off.